Sammy? Sam! Earth to Sam! What's the matter with you?
Don't bother me. I'm philosophizing.
What? Why?
I'm philosophizing about the philosopher's stone.
Philosopher's stone?
Yes, it is a very beautiful crystal. Magical. I want one.
Do you even know what it does?
If I make it, I'll know.
Hi guys! Today, Sam and I will be growing crystals!
Philosopher's stone!
Well, we'll see. Philosopher's stone is a complicated thing. To grow crystals, I'll be using this kit.
Oh, is it a magic potion?
Yeah, sure. Magic! For growing crystals.
Listen, are there magical potions for growing candy?
Candy? I doubt that.
Well, I need to find out.
Right. While Sam is doing his research, I'll start preparations. Well, wait. No, I'm doing this for him. Hey, Sam!
What?
Well, you wanted to grow crystals, so go on, work on it.
You've interrupted my research process.
Oh, I'm sorry. I just thought you wanted to grow crystals, not something else.
Yeah, fine. What do I need to do?
Well, first, you need to cut these strips into 4 parts.
No problem.
And I'll need to secure them on this stand.
Here.
Oh, you're so fast. Thanks. All right, I'll secure the strips on the stand. 1 and done. And another one. 1 more. And done. This is what I have now. Looks mysterious. How will I get crystals out of this? Guys, have you ever grown crystals? Give a thumbs up if you have. What's this?
It's a structure for growing candy, of course, and a magical potion too. A sweet one.
Well, for the sake of experiment, we can do them simultaneously, but keep them away from each other just in case.
You'll see, I'll grow the biggest candy ever! How's the philosopher's stone doing?
Pretty good. I'll pour this over the structure and we'll need to wait for a few days.
What? A few days? Well, for this experiment, I'll try to be patient, though it won't be easy.
It's really important to soak the strips in the solution. Magical potion. Completely. Not to miss any spot. Well, Sammy, a few days have passed, and this is what we've got. It's not a philosopher's stone, of course, but still very pretty.
Ugh, looks like you've grown some broccoli. A weird crystal at best.
There's just no pleasing some people.
Mine at least doesn't look like broccoli. Now give me some candy!
You're a slick slime. Here.
Thanks, and get your vegetables off the table.
Guys, did you like our crystal experiment? Give a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see Sam's new experiments. Bye-bye!